Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muhammad Talha and you are watching Knowledge Hub. Virtual reality headset offer an alternative experience in a digital world, and below are the best VR headset that you can buy right now in 2021. Do subscribe and press the bell icon for our latest updates. Number 1, Oculus Quest 2. Oculus is the company that basically started the whole virtual reality business as a Kickstarter. Now they are owned by Facebook. The Oculus Quest 2 comes with a modest 90Hz display and a 1832 multiplied by 920 per eye display. It may not be as high as the more expensive HTC Vive Pro and Valve Index, but it job well. The reason Oculus Quest 2 make it top of the list is that it offers great value for the price. The price of Oculus Quest 2 start at $299. This is $100 less than the original Quest and offers considerably more performance and features. Number 2, HTC Vive Pro 2. The HTC Vive Pro is a hard-hitting beast and does not hold back any punches. It has a 5K 120Hz display and arguably has the best and sharpest VR experience on the market. The headset has a nice ergonomic design. Make sure you do not get tired for a long gaming session. The HTC Vive Pro has a 120-degree field of view. The only complaint users have of the HTC Vive Pro 2 is that it is still using old generation controller, but those can easily be replaced with the Valve Index controllers if you want. The HTC Vive Pro 2 is one of the most expensive VR headsets, starting at $199, but with these specifications, the price is worth it. Number 3, the Sony PlayStation VR. The Valve Index is personally my favorite of all the VR headsets being showcased on this list. It has high refresh rate, 120Hz display, it has very accurate and smooth finger tracking controllers. However, the Valve Index is a PC-tethered VR system, meaning that you need to connect the VR headset to a PC for it to work. The headset will feature a high-resolution OLED that will offer 2000 multiplied by 2040 pixel per eye with an improved 110-degree field of view. The original Sony PlayStation VR is compatible with both PS4 and PS5. The next generation Sony PSVR will have improved functionality like adaptive triggers, haptic feedback, and touch-sensitive button, and it will even be able to detect the distance between your finger and the device. Number 4, Valve Index. The reason this is my #1 is down to the Valve Steam Store, which is packed with a variety of VR content that truly shows what VR is all about. However, the Valve Index is considerably more expensive than its counterparts like the Oculus. The Valve Index will set you back $920. It has high refresh rate, 120Hz display, it has very accurate and smooth finger tracking controllers. Number 5, Samsung Gear VR. The Samsung Gear virtual reality headset may not be the most powerful VR on the list, but it is one of the cheapest. The Samsung Gear VR is a lightweight gadget that uses your mobile phone as a display. You can even pair it with the motion controller like other VR headset for more immersive experience. This is great entry-level VR headset as it offers comfort and convenience along with a really great price. The new Samsung Gear VR retail at $139. This comes included with the newly updated headset and the motion controller. It is a great device to experience VR and see if it is something yet you would enjoy.